New DeWalt deals just dropped. At the stores, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way to roast the platform by subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. Yes, to start here, this is the new riding golf cart that they have. It's longer. It's pretty much the same thing, different color. It has a little bit more accessories. It does have a front rack. It is $11.99, so $999. So almost $12,000, and if with payments it says $15,705. It's hard to read, but it is bigger than the other one. This one's a six. It looks like a 6-passenger. I guess you can stick more people than more than 6. Maybe 3 by each row or something like that. But I guess 6. It'll be more comfortable. It does have a middle bench and then a back bench, just like the other one. Cup holders, seat belts, and all that stuff. So $94.99. This one's down a little bit to about $500. These are the just the regular ones, the 4-seaters. They're very identical to the 6-seaters. All right, so this is a clearance section that they had in the garden section. So they do have some weed whackers and some, that's the weed whacker kits, 4 amp hour, 134 down for 149. You got blower, so 149. It doesn't look like it comes with a battery. So 156 down from 199, a 14-inch chainsaw kit. That's pretty nice. So you guys need a chainsaw kit, very inexpensive. 149 for the blower, some of the sales they got going on. 520 CFM, that's very decent, very good. Very average for that voltage. So 149 for the weed eater or the blower. So 199 for this Greenworks 2100 PSI electric pressure washer. 25-foot hose, 35-foot cord. So, and then $99.99 for the 1700 PSI pressure washer. Clearance section here. We got a gold, some hammers. This one's $22, down from $31. It says 11-ounce drywall hammer. You got this surface cleaner. It's a small one. It is only 12 inches. So this one's a $20.77, down from $29. And then you got a Coleman cooler for $85, down from $96, and then a fan there. Here's a bigger cooler, the 107, down from $119. This is the whiter one, the white ones, the ones that are a little bit more expensive. And then they had the Eagle. These are the igloo, not Eagle. 5-gallon, so down to 31 from 49. So that's a pretty good deal on that one, especially if you run a crew. Great to have a lot of water, plenty of water. And then you got the bagger for the riding mowers, 264. You got this is the spider bits, 29 down from 39. These are supposedly top of the line. The Macbook is the top of the line. You got a 7 1/4 circ saw blade, $9.97. And then you got a flashlight, Craftsman. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of clearance, guys. There's just throughout all the stores. Every store is different, so you're not gonna find all these deals in every store. You might have a better deal at your store than this one. This is a linoleum knife, $2. Fixed blade utility knife. Like I said, there's just a whole bunch of different stuff. The paint section is another good one, especially at this store. This one's down from $89, it's down to $50. Pretty dang good deal. Most of these are $50, but there's another section of paints that are 25 from 54. So depending on what you're looking for, you can find very, very inexpensive. If you guys have remodels, if you guys have, obviously rental properties, this is the way to go. So this one's 49 down from, or this is, you buy any of the tools, you get a free battery. Those are the new nailers that they have, the new brand nailers. And that is the battery. That's a 4 amp hour, $79.98 value. You're gonna get for free. And then you got this stool here, 49 down to 42.98. It's on clearance. I can't wait to see it lower. Got some gloves here, $13. New lower price, down from $17. Then yes, more drawers, $58, down from $89. A lot of you commented on my last video that you guys wanted to get this deal. Well, it's time for you to step out and try to find them, because that's a really good deal on those. $19.97 for the 6X drive screwdriver. And then you got a 10-in-1, $10. These are the new screwdrivers that they have. These are the Cobalt. It's kind of like a hexagon, basically. Easier to grip. So those are the prices on the newer screwdrivers. And all the older stuff is getting clearanced out. So I didn't go over all this because I already went over it on the other previous video. But yeah, but all the older Cobalt and Weha are getting clearanced out. You got a laser level here, 183 down from 429. That's a pretty good deal. 200 foot. Here's a smaller one for 119, and down from 299. So these are actually pretty good deals. All right, so this one's 54. This is a tripod, down from 69. That's the way it looks. I could probably use that for the camera. You got a table saw here, 226 down from 349. It's a Cobalt 10-inch table saw. And you got a Metabo for $5.99. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free tool. Obviously, the higher priced tools are going to be the best ones, like that ratchet, the reciprocating saw, the angle grinder, circular saw, and the oscillating tool. So yeah, definitely go for those tools, or whatever tool you need. But yeah, there's a huge selection of tools. 242 down from 269. It's a 10-inch sliding miter saw. You got this one, $5.99 down from $6.59. This is the Bosch 12-inch. This is one of the newer ones. This is a really nice saw. I wish I had this in my garage. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how that works. The arm, you can basically put that against the wall and you won't take any more space. So got a sliding miter saw, 10-inch Craftsman, 15 amp. That's it right there. Pretty nice, very compact. $3.99 for the slider, 12-inch. DWS 779. So that's pretty nice, very reliable. And then you got this one down from 179, or to 179 down from 429. That's just a chop saw. It's not a slider. 169 down from 299. It's a 12-inch chop saw from the Metabo. You got this reciprocating saw. It is corded. Down to $40, down from 50. 11 amp. You got the stack pack, the flex stack pack accessories that nobody wants. They're down to $4. So if you still have one of these stack packs or modular storage system from Flex, make sure you guys pick those up. Very useful. You got the wrench, the impact wrench, half an inch, $74. You got an 18 gauge staples, 24 down from 99. That's a pretty dang good deal. Whoever needs that. You got a 102 piece mechanics tool set, $41 down from 59. Then you got this test lead kit, Craftsman. It's down to $17.47 from $24.98. Alright, so they got this new apparel here. These are kind of like on the, they're really nice, really thin. and really like if you're really cool. It's like kind of like the swimming gear that you use, or for fishing and all that stuff. So $17.99. They got an 8 amp hour battery for $139. That's very inexpensive for being an 8 amp hour battery. Then they got these hook style blades, knives for $12. That's pretty nice. Just a different style. $62. The miter saw stand was $149. So they still have a few of these at the store. Not bad for $62. These are the new deals, $249. These are the XR power detect tools. These are the tool kits. They are $249. They do include an 8 amp hour battery. They do include a fast charger. So this is definitely a good deal. You're basically paying $100 for each, for the tool and the battery, and paying $50 for the charger. So that's basically, if you want to put it that way, that's a pretty dang good deal. So that's the way it looks. They do have $95 for Impact Driver Drill Driver for skill, but they do have the buy more save more. You spend $250 or more, you save $75. You spend $249 or less, you save $35. $174 or less, you save $10. So pretty good deals if you're planning to get that $95 plus a few more tools. You got the wee hot screwdrivers. These are really nice screwdrivers. I felt them already. $17.97 down from $19. On some other stores are $11. They got the Craftsman combo kits. These are very DIY oriented, hang a picture frame type of tool. They got the buy one get one free still. The power stacks, you get a free tool. Definitely that SDS rotary hammer and the impact wrenches are the way to go on these deals. And then they got these on clearance still. The B-jaw pliers. There's a 10-inch for $16. And then you got the 12-inch for $15. So I don't know why the bigger one's cheaper. They still got these on clearance. The rear handle circular saws with the new batteries for $319. That's actually a damn good deal. $150 a piece. You got rotary hammer, $239 clearance. And you got the bare tools, yeah, same thing. So what's $299 for that? You got the screw gun with the magazine, $127. You got the drywall cutout tool, bare tool, $79. So lots of good deals on these. $63 for the lights was $79.98. $69 was $139. This is a 3 amp hour. So that's a pretty good deal. You got the job site radio, $199 down from $229. I really like the radios from Bosch. Very different than the rest of the brands. Job site radio with Bluetooth, $129 was $159. You got the ratchet, $103 down from $129, and then $149 for the impact driver drill driver combo with one battery charger. And then we got the mowers out here. This is the Eagle zero turn mower. So big compartment on the back. So you guys do look, it is able to handle up to 6 batteries. So that's a lot. That's a lot of energy there. 42-inch dual blade. And it is a zero turn, and it is $54.99. 42-inch zero turn riding mower. Does have a bells and whistles. Digital. Looks like a digital screen there. Pretty nice. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. You make sure you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.